So I am going to try this in one bite. Whee!
What should we try next?
Try the Tivoli. Looks like this. Wonder what it'll taste like. Okay.
Here, I found it on here. It says it's an almond chocolate Tivoli Select. Chocolate almond covered wafer with chocolate cream. I think this one has potential to be a number 10. Alarming as it may sound, Thailand is one of the few countries in the world that doesn't consume a whole lot of chocolate. Gasp! But when locals do indulge, they tend to reach for one chocolate bar in particular, Kit Kat. Yep, believe it or not, the number one chocolate treat amongst Thai locals is the same breakable wafer bar you can get here in the United States. Though Kit Kat is the country's top chocolate bar, we weren't about to send you something you can pick up at a vending machine. Instead, we wanted to bring you the Thai version of a Kit Kat, Tivoli Select. This chocolate bar has thin wafers and milk chocolate just like a Kit Kat, plus the delicious addition of crunchy almonds and smooth cocoa butter. If you ask us, we'll happily trade with the Thai. They can keep the Kit Kat and we'll go for the Tivoli Select. I definitely think, Bryant, that this has the potential to be better than the Kit Kat and a number 10. What do you think?
I'm going the Kit Kat might be a little bit down go because this is a bigger chocolate bar and it looks like it has almonds in it.
Mm-hmm.
So like almonds like have like this magic touch, I don't know, just makes things better.
Mm-hmm.
But like, yeah, do you just want to take a bite of the back? Cause like I'm gonna take like one.
You wanna open it?
Yes.
And we'll split it in half?
Yeah, I'll split it. So I am gonna try this in one bite. Whee! 3, 2, 1, go. Hug.
Is it good? What are you thinking? You're eating it. You don't want to spit it out, so it means it's good.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
But
Why do you give it a 10 out of 10? What does it remind you of? Does it remind you of a Kit Kat? Yeah?
the reason I'm giving it better than Kit Kat is because it basically is a Kit Kat with almonds, and you can't even taste the difference. It's just it's just crunchier. Let's see what my dad thinks of it.
Here we go. I'm going to try my half of the Tivoli Select candy bar from Thailand that is supposedly better than the Kit Kat. Chocolate tastes pretty close to a Kit Kat. Wafer's pretty good. I do taste the almonds, but it's like not overpowering. There's not too many nuts. I think that's one reason why I don't like Snickers too much, because the nut flavor is just too much. There's too much in there.
Yeah.
This is definitely better than a Kit Kat. I would rate it a 10 out of 10.
Ooh.
And that's hard to do. That's hard to beat a Kit Kat, because Kit Kat is already that good.